Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate stuffed cookies. You will need 300 grams of plain flour, 150 grams of butter, cubed and at room temperature, 150 grams of caster sugar, 100 grams of chocolate chips, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 100 grams of chocolate. For the chocolate chips and the chocolate, you can use whatever chocolate that you want. I used dark chocolate for the chocolate chips and I used milk chocolate for the normal chocolate, but you can use whatever combination you want. To start with, in a bowl add your caster sugar and your butter, and you want to cream these together until well combined. Then add your egg and mix in well. Then you want to add half of your flour and your baking powder and mix until you have a very sticky dough. Then add your chocolate chips, give these a mix until well distributed. Then add the remaining flour and mix until you have a really nice dough. Then to a pre-lined baking tray with baking paper. Then, having broken the chocolate up into the chocolate squares, so mine did 15 cookies. You then want to take enough cookie dough to wrap around your chocolate square to completely encase it in your cookie dough. Roll it into a ball and pop it on your baking tray, leaving plenty of space in between for them to expand. And just repeat until you've either used all your cookie dough up or you've used all of your chocolate squares up. Then you want to pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 12 to 15 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make chocolate stuffed cookies.